So Disney Gym Girl got to test some out. What was it like? Good? Yay. So now we'll dump some beans and some tomato sauce. Could you put this away from me? You know where that goes? Watch out for the sharp end of the can opener. Isn't it cool when you have kids and they help you out in the kitchen? It makes life worthwhile. Are ready for the beans?
Daddy,
Yes.
I tend to like regular potatoes a little more than sweet potatoes.
I see.
Because like regular potatoes don't have like a sweet
Aftertaste?
Yeah.
I see. Did you just spill the beans on how you felt about potatoes?
Very funny.
Dad jokes, guys, I'm sorry. Cringe, as I pour some more sauce.
Likey